Is that good, sucker? Lick it. You can't chew it. Nom nom. 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 You're going to get the whole thing in your mouth? That's a big sucker. Whoa. Oh, is that good? You going to put the apple on the sucker? No, don't feed the apple to the dogs. No. No. Don't you dare. No. No. Want some more? Did your grandma give you that? No. Don't you dare do it. Put that piece of apple back up. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Not funny. Not funny. Not funny. Don't you dare do it. You did. Why? Don't throw apples. Mommy will eat the apples. No. No. Madison. No. No. Madison, that was Mommy's piece. No. Okay, say bye-bye. Madison! Stop! Maddie! No more. No more. Do you want sucker? Are you all done? Say bye-bye.